Hi, hello everyone. This is a video about my new bike project. So the back wheel is the compact car 13-inch, and the frame is made by the idea of the galvanized pipe, water pipe, which is we don't use the welding or the pipe bending or anything. So it means it's quite quick to deploy all kind of things. So let me zoom a little bit for someone want to see how it works. We have the bearing here, and we have the drum. So okay, and we're gonna have this for hydraulic brake, and this is a seat fiberglass, and cap and with stainless lock nut. Also, this is a bicycle on the front, and just a quick insert to see how the concept work, POC. And yeah, it looked pretty cool. Yeah, but how we gonna ride? So basically, you sit, and the front is chained. This one will be chained as a hub wheel. It's like a wheelchair adapter, stuff like that. But I still order from China. It's gonna arrive next week, and this should be fun. And the cruising is like a chopper in the kind of low rider style. And yeah, and not really complete yet, because I make this one really quick in 2 days. The order the pipe one day. I mean, the first day design, and then I order the pipe, and I pick up the pipe and assemble that, drill the hole, stuff like that, and no welding required, no pipe bending required. It means all the stuff in your house you can build this bike. It's kind of fun. It's a cruising bike. I know, and try to make it look like a steampunk, but not really. But the concept is just simple DIY for everyone concept. Raw models with the BMX bike cut in front. That's about it, man. Well, successful with the. I'll start from the back first. That's why. And forgot to show this side. It's kind of cool, right? Wait for the next process to get on the front hub motor from China. Order from AliExpress will be around 1 more weeks. They expect to come here. Okay then. Thank you very much, and you guys have a nice day. Bye bye.